Here's a Gould's pump that I converted to steam. I made two pistons for it, 2-inch diameter pistons with high heat O-rings on them, and now I'm running it on steam. And it pumps water really good. It's amazing. I think the bore is about 1 inch on the water pump end. And I've just got it temporarily hooked up here. And a little oiler on it. I think I will sell it, but I want to test it here first. So I'm going to turn on the steam. So this is the incoming steam, oiler, and exhaust on the engine. And that noise is normal. They click, click, click all the time. So this is incoming water here. And this is outgoing water here. It's spraying way out there, 10 feet or so, under pressure of my thumb. And of course it slows down, and it'll pump water into a boiler. But there's no resistance on it right now, so the engine runs faster. Nice little steam pump now. See, this thing you hook it up to your house water or building water, like on a building. And if you needed water in the higher floors, you pump it up to a tank up on the roof, or pump it into the upper floors somehow, I guess, and just using the city water, it'll pump 80, 90 pounds. This is before they had high wash water pumps, and we had enough gravity feed to work. So I've converted it to a steam pump. Amazing. It's pumping out there 12, 15 feet right now on my driveway. And it will work as a steam pump to put water into a boiler. If you're interested in this pump, give me a call. My number is 206-948-0770, or email me at anacortesteam, that's ANACORTESTEAM, anacortesteam@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.